I've worked at Digga for 10 years in August. So I started off as a purchasing officer in 2009. I then moved into a logistics office role, then moving into logistics coordinator, up into logistics supervisor, and now currently in sales. The best about working at Digga is the opportunities. They nurture you from wherever you start to whatever role you want to go into. So they're very good at looking after you and making sure that you move to where you want to go, and keeps it interesting.
I've worked at Digga for 6 years now. My role is a fabricator / boiler maker, mainly welding. The best thing I love about Digga is mainly the people that work here. Very nice group of people, and one of my favourite things is the hours. Very flexible hours and an early finish on Friday.
My name is Fern. I've been here for just over 2 months now. My role at Digga is to put all inventory away. It's a great place to work. Everyone gets along with everyone, even though we're such a diverse age group, which is really cool. But also how everyone works as a team here to make sure everything's done as smoothly as possible.
I've worked for Digga since February last year, so about a year, 3 months. I started off on the dispatch floor, and now I'm working in dispatch administration. What I like most about working for Digga is the work-life balance. I compete in multiple competitions outside of work. The hours that I've arranged with my supervisor have given me the freedom to participate in that.
I'm Elisa. I'm responsible for all kinds of online and social media communications, and I've been here at Digga for about 2.5 years now. Yeah, this role has really given me the opportunity to develop my skills over the past 2 years. What I really enjoy about working here are our group fitness sessions, which are organised right here on site. And yeah, that just gives me the chance to really bond with my colleagues just outside of work.
My name's Stephen. I've been here 21 years. I'm the leading hand in the machine shop here. Honestly, the opportunities to go anywhere, be a machinist, I really enjoy what I do here. I couldn't imagine not being a machinist. Really good work environment, met a lot of friends here that I'm now friends with outside of work. The bosses are very easy to talk to, they'll help you out whenever they can. It's a really nice work environment.